Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy fall everyone. Finally, we are in fall. It's September 1st. It is fall. September is fall. It is still hot here in New York State. I am very north, almost Canada. When you step outside, it still feels like summer, but I love fall so much, so we're going to start fall looks now. Alright guys, for this video, I created this look using very inexpensive products in my collection. So I just shop in my collection and use the best but inexpensive products. For my eyeshadow, I use my Buxom Ash K Holm palette. You know, it's very simple, but the colors are amazing. Easy to use, everyday glam, name it, you can use this palette. Alright guys, so if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. First thing that I enjoy so much without breaking the bank is this Rare Beauty. This is a primer. They call this the Pore Diffusing Primer, and it's only $14. I'm not into primers, but this one makes a lot of difference when I use it, and I enjoy it so much. I highly recommend this if you haven't tried this. This is probably the best Rare Beauty product that I have tried, and I've tried them all. So what I do is I use one pump, put it wherever I have a lot of visible pores. So I put this around my T-zone, but if I'm going somewhere special, I add another pump and then I use it all over my face. Next is foundation. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This has sunscreen, SPF 25. I'm in number 475. Sun Beige. This foundation is $11 and it's really good. I can compare this with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. The Armani is what, $64, $68. Next is the concealer from the same brand, same line. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I am number 385 and this is the closest to my skin tone. If I want to conceal something, this is what I use. But if I want to brighten up, I use 320, which is the lightest one, this one. Remember to conceal with something that is really close to your skin tone and never use something lighter than your skin, or else you're just going to exaggerate, or else it's just gonna get muddy or ashy and it's just gonna look worse. All right, next I'm going to contour with the same product. This one is just in shade 415. I really like contouring with this concealer and it's just like $8. Sometimes you can get it for $7 on Amazon.
Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon.
All right, next I'm going to set all the cream stuff on my face. I'm going to use a Ben Nye Banana Luxury Powder. This one is around $13 and I think that this is the medium size. There's a smaller size which is $7. It's very inexpensive and this is a professional grade. A lot of makeup artists use this powder. It is finely milled. It's not gonna let you down. Alright, so what I do is I put it on my hand. Some makeup artists, they use a bowl. Next, I'm going to use a puff. This one is from Beauty Blender. My concealer didn't even crease. I'm just gonna put it here. Setting and baking are totally different things. What I'm doing is setting. The difference, oh wow, look at that. And this. For my brows, I'm going to use Precision Brow Pencil from Colourpop. This is only $5. I'm gonna use the spoolie, brush it up. Okay, for my bronzer, I'm going to use Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer in Megastar. You can compare this to Marc Jacobs, which is like $58, if I'm not mistaken. My forever love nose contour brush. This one is from Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to define my contour.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling.
Alright guys, for today's palette, I'm going to use the Buxom Ash K Holm. Ash K Holm is one of the most beautiful. She's so pretty. She's one of the most beautiful, talented makeup artists in Hollywood. She is a celebrity makeup artist, famous model. She also does Ariana Grande. She's so talented and she does collaborations with Buxom. This is a Buxom palette and this is how it looks like. It's so pretty. I have another video where I use this palette, but for today, I want to create a fall look. I am going to play with these colors right here. They're very fall, the purple and the browns and the orange. I'm gonna start with 1989, which is this orange. I'm guessing that 1989 is when she was born. This is gonna be a transition shade. If you guys can hear guns, I think they're practicing. We live on base and we always hear guns and bombs here. That's how it is. That's how we roll. I cannot get used to it, but some wives, they call it sound of freedom. I can't get used to it. Next, I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. This one is Tetris. I don't know which one is it. I think I got this from an Ipsy. It's quite good. So next, I'm going to use Rich Rich. And I'm going to put this right here, the corner of my eye. Handle your business, do what you think you need to do to get your revenge. But you won't break me, God as my witness. Past the point of no return, I'm on a mission. Tryna block my blessings, but no need for comparisons. What's from me won't be from me. Yeah, I'ma go through just to grow through. Next, I'm going to use this glitter shadow primer. This one is from Give Me Glow. Glow Harder. They call it Glow Harder. And this is only $6, $7. Something like that, and it's very inexpensive. It's so good too. So it's a clear glue, you can't even see it, and I'm gonna put that right here. You can't see it because it's very clear, which is amazing, and it doesn't disturb anything under where I put it. So I just put it right here. Teeny tiny amount can go a long way. And wait for it until it's tacky like this, like sticky. And then you can put the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one here, the silver one. It is called Dynasty. Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. I'm going to get a flat brush and work the edges. I don't want it to be harsh. I don't want it to be too harsh. And then I'm gonna get, with the flat brush, I'm gonna get this color right here. It is called Major. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carve right here. You have to love me like that. I gave you my heart. And work it away. Hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said, but I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like. You guys see that? It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do this on the other side, and then I'll be back. Listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. For my under eye, I'm going to go Rich Rich. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something. I'm gonna get another brush. This one is Lexi 131, and I'm gonna get this shade right here. It's called Teddy. Teddy is Ashley's dog. I'm going to run this under my eye, just blend it away. just to blend it. Alright, next is mascara. Alright guys, for my mascara, I'm going to use Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This one is from L'Oreal. I'm going to use Blackest Black. Okay, I'm going to put this on top and below as well. Oh, I forgot to mention that this is only $7. Probably you can get it cheaper too. Okay, done with my mascara. Next thing I'm going to do is put the eyeliner. This one is LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner. Believe it or not, this is $2.50. Sometimes they go on sale and it becomes $1. So this is color black. Yeah, Ultimate Black. I'm gonna put this under eye. And also on top. It intensifies the eye and also makes it look bigger. So look at this, compare to this. That is what you call tight lining. I'm gonna line on top as well here and create a little wing liner, just a little bit. All right, it looks like this. Okay, next I'm going to use the KKW Beauty blush. I know that they're not available anymore, but I got this for $6. Just before they closed, they got everything on sale. I got one of these blushes, which is so pretty because it's orange and peach. RT brush, number 300. I'm gonna lift it up here so it looks snatched. Okay, for my highlighter, I'm going to use this one. This one is from Benefit. It's $30, but you get 4 things, and you also get the Hoola bronzer, which is amazing. You also get a blush on and 2 highlighters. This one is more on a summer highlighter, and this one is all year round highlighter. This is very affordable. They sell individually for like $30. And with this palette, it's $30. Bronzer, a blush, and 2 highlighters. Amazing. I'm gonna get Georgia here and use this on my forehead. Very nice, luminous, natural highlighter. I'm also gonna put it here on top of my eyebrows. Wow. I think these are all their best sellers. It's called Force Cope Earth Angel. Force Cope. I love this palette. I'm gonna put that on my chin. Wow, that luminosity. I'm also going to put this on my cheeks. It smells so good too. Wow. I'm gonna put it on my nose. Okay, I'm gonna give it a spray before I use the cookie. Like, there's another highlighter I like. Okay, so there's another highlighter that I really like. This one is Cookie. It is very famous. So I'm just gonna use my finger here. Put that on my nose. It's like, wait. Oh, dang. That's very bright. A little bit on my cheek here, like right here. Very nice. I love this palette. Wow. For my lip liner, I'm going to use my favorite inexpensive lip liner, which is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. This one is in Flesh. It's nude. Okay, so this is the lip liner. All right, next I'm going to put lip gloss, but this one is lip oil. What's the difference? Lip gloss is more sticky. Lip oil is actually not sticky at all, and the consistency is so much better than lip. If you want to try something new, lip oil is amazing. This one is from ColourPop, Luxe Lip Oil. I believe it's $8. It's a dupe for Tower 28. Yeah, lip jelly. They call it lip jelly, but this one is $18. This one is a deluxe sample. It's always out of stock at Sephora, not this size, but bigger size. It's $18. This is the same thing, it's only $8, and I have 3 of these. I have it on my nightstand, and my daughter always put this one too. She loves it. It makes your lips so yummy. I have to wipe it every time I put it back in because I don't want to change its color. Or maybe I can just like put it right here and use my finger. All right, last thing that I want to use is from NYX. This one is brow glue. Yeah, they call it the brow glue, and it looks like glue. So basically holds your eyebrows. It lifts your eyebrows. That makes you look younger. Also, it holds your eyebrows. It's just amazing. Nothing holds my eyebrows. So I'm pretty amazed that this product came out recently. No, just this year, yeah.
Give it up to me, get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but
All right, guys, so this is it. This is the look for today. This is a very inexpensive fall theme makeup look. I enjoyed this one. I love how it turned out. It's not that difficult. It's very easy. Making this look made me realize that I'm still that old school kind of makeup artist. You know, I don't use those types like, what do you call that, cut crease, a lot of packing and a lot of layering kind of style. I'm still that old school, like, you know, one layer, but well blended and nicely put together. All right, I'm going to compute all the products that we used today, and this is how much we used. I hope that's not bad, and I hope that you also think that's very inexpensive. Inexpensive makeup is very subjective, especially if you are looking for good products. They could be inexpensive and very cheap, but not as good. These products that I show you today are very good. So I hope you guys like this video. Hit me up in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video. Happy fall, everyone. Bye.
get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
I am a November baby, so it is my season. I love fall. I'm so ready. Pumpkin spice latte, I'm ready for you. I love hot drinks, so I'm ready. I'm ready. Pumpkins, I'm ready. Cinnamon, apple pie, yes, we are.